Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Etsy trends. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing with me now is just to simply go to Shop Manager, or we can try now another way. So basically you can simply go to your web browser and just type Etsy trending or trends, and let's just type it correctly, and here we will be able to find like this Etsy trending now. And basically this is some kind of a playlist or whatever, and from here you can find like trending now, and here you will see like things that are like selling a lot in Etsy. And basically, this is just one way to have some idea of what is trending. And another way, or the most reliable way, is to find or to search for keywords that are searching in a certain time. And basically, we can do that by using some tools for researching. And one of them is Everbee. So you can simply go to your shop manager and go to the apps, and from here you will find the Everbee. So I have it already connected, and basically you can simply click on Everbee here. You click on learn more, it will take you to their website. Now you will be needing just to sign in with your Etsy account. So just go with login with my Etsy account. You will need just to grant access, and basically now you are able to use Everbee. So here in the menu you would find like these tools. You will have like the keyword research in the shop analyzer. So basically if you go to product analytics, you'd find like some products that are uh, selling a lot, and as you can see you find like price, and you can see like the reviews, etc., and listing age. For example, this one is less than just 1 month and it's still like being sold a lot, etc. Or you can simply go to the keyword research, and from here you'll find what people are searching, and also you can see the volume of people that are using, for example, this keyword. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.